So you want to import a reference image into ZBrush, but it's kind of a headache. Here's a really good and easy way. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to start with the geometry you want to work off of. Let's say it's a sphere. Next, you're gonna go into edit mode. Now I need to identify which view I want to work with. Now that my view is set, I'm gonna go into the floor and activate it. I'm gonna turn on X, Y, and Z. Next, you need to go into draw. Scroll down until you see that button here open. And now you get to choose whether you want to have the reference for front, back, up, down, and left, right, whichever you want to work with. So in my case here, like as you can see here in the side view, it's going to be right and left. So here's right and left. I'm gonna pick the map that I want. Now here's something that might help you. If you don't see this activated, let's say like so, this way, that means you might have pretty much forgotten the floor to be activated. Keep that in mind. So I'm gonna go here, map 1, I'm gonna choose import, so I can import the image that I want to import as my reference, and it's flipped. So I'm gonna go into draw. Let me dock this. I'm gonna click on flip. So I want to change the way it's looking, because right now it's pretty faint. To do so, I'm gonna go and change the fill mode. So if you go to 0, it's gonna get even dimmer all the way down. So if I go and push it all the way to 2 or even 3, then I can see more easily. Next, I want to adjust that Fresnel effect on the material in a way that I can see through it. And now it's pretty easy to sculpt over it.